Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 only works when plugged in, it indicates a battery failure. This can happen due to age, regular wear and tear, or even software issues that prevent the battery from charging properly. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, including potential damage to the motherboard or other internal components. To successfully replace the battery, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery specifically designed for the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. Begin by ensuring your laptop is turned off and unplugged. To open the device safely, place it on a flat surface and use the spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around, being careful not to apply too much pressure to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery, which is typically situated in the center of the device. It will be connected to the motherboard via a small cable. Carefully disconnect this cable by gently pulling it out from its connector. The battery is usually secured with screws. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws to free the battery from its compartment. Be mindful of the screw sizes and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery out of its housing. When inserting the new battery, ensure it aligns correctly with the connectors. Reconnect the cable securely to the motherboard, making sure it clicks into place. Once everything is in position, replace the screws to secure the battery. Before closing the back cover, double-check that all cables are properly connected and that there are no tools left inside the laptop. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back cover by aligning it with the edges and gently pressing down until it clicks back into place. To avoid encountering battery issues in the future, ensure you regularly update your device's software and avoid letting the battery completely drain frequently. Additionally, consider using a surge protector when charging your laptop to protect against power surges. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.